In our senior years, we can't help but notice that things aren't as easy as they used to be. Getting out of bed in the morning, climbing the stairs, even carrying groceries, simple activities that once seemed effortless, can become challenging. You might even feel that the muscle strength and energy you had in your youth are slowly slipping away, and it's hard not to wonder, is this just what getting older is like? But what if I told you that you could restore your muscle strength and feel more like you did at 40? Yes, it's possible, and it doesn't require a fancy gym membership or intense training sessions. It's about a simple yet powerful daily habit that anyone can do, no matter your fitness level or age. Introducing resistance training. Now, I know what you're thinking, resistance training? Isn't that something only for bodybuilders or young athletes? Not at all. In fact, resistance training is one of the best ways for seniors to rebuild muscle strength, improve balance, and regain the vitality that often seems to fade with age. And it's not just about lifting heavy weights. It can be as simple as bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or even light weights. Let me explain. As we age, our muscles naturally begin to lose mass and strength, a condition known as sarcopenia. This decline in muscle mass not only makes it harder to perform daily tasks, but it also leads to decreased mobility, lower energy levels, and an increased risk of falls, something that many seniors fear. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept muscle weakness as a part of getting older. In fact, studies have shown that resistance training can reverse some of the effects of aging on muscle strength and even restore muscle mass. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism revealed that seniors, some as old as 85, who engaged in 12 weeks of resistance training saw an impressive 11% increase in muscle mass and a 46% improvement in strength. Imagine what a difference that could make in your everyday life. And it's not just about adding strength, it's about maintaining independence. Muscle strength is directly linked to balance, and improved balance means fewer falls. By incorporating resistance training into your routine, you not only boost your muscle health, but you also reduce the risk of injury and improve your overall quality of life. But that's not all. To maximize your results, adding balance and flexibility exercises like Tai Chi or yoga can help you improve your mobility, posture, and coordination. These exercises help keep your body agile and flexible, making it easier to perform everyday activities without strain or discomfort. The World Health Organization recommends that adults over 65 engage in muscle strengthening activities at least twice a week, in addition to 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity. And guess what? You don't have to do hours of workouts each day to see the benefits. A quick 20 to 30 minutes of resistance exercises, a couple of times a week, can have a profound impact on your muscle strength, balance, and overall health. So, if you're ready to feel stronger, more energetic, and confident in your own body again, it's time to take action. Let's dive into how resistance training can transform your health and vitality, starting with just one small habit that can lead to big changes. As we grow older, maintaining muscle strength becomes more important than ever. Whether it's for staying active, maintaining independence, or simply enjoying life to the fullest, muscle health is key. But did you know that there's one daily habit that could help you restore muscle strength and vitality, even making you feel like you're 40 again? The answer lies in something simple yet incredibly effective: resistance training. It's not about lifting heavy weights or pushing yourself to extremes. It's about using your own body weight, resistance bands, or light weights to stimulate muscle growth, improve your balance, and give your body the strength it needs to stay independent. And the best part? It's never too late to start. In fact, research shows that seniors can experience significant improvements in muscle mass and strength with just a few weeks of consistent resistance training. So if you're ready to turn back the clock and feel stronger and more energized than ever, stick with me as we explore how you can unlock the power of resistance training in your daily routine and boost your strength in ways you may have never thought possible. Let's dive in. Many of us begin to notice a shift in our bodies as we enter in our 50s. We might feel more fatigued, less agile, and perhaps even struggle with tasks we once found easy. One of the most noticeable changes is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, which begins as early as our 30s. This process, known as sarcopenia, accelerates with age and can lead to weakened muscles, decreased mobility, and a higher risk of falls. But here's the good news: you don't have to simply accept this decline. In fact, there's one daily habit that has the power to turn back the clock on your muscle strength, improve your balance, and help you feel stronger and more energized. That habit is resistance training. Resistance training involves engaging in exercises that make your muscles work against a force. This force can come from your own body weight, resistance bands, or even light weights. The beauty of resistance training is that it doesn't require expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment. It can be done right at home, at your own pace. And while it may sound daunting, especially if you're new to exercise or haven't worked out in a while, the benefits are undeniable, particularly for seniors. By committing just a little time each day to resistance training, you can rebuild lost muscle strength, improve your balance, and boost your overall vitality. The science behind resistance training for seniors. At first glance, it may seem like lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises would be too taxing for seniors, but research shows otherwise. Older adults can actually experience incredible benefits from strength training, even when they start in their 60s, 70s, or beyond. In fact, muscle strength and mass can be significantly improved at any age, with consistent effort and the right approach. A study published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism found that participants aged 85 and older who engaged in resistance training for just 12 weeks experienced an average increase of 11% in muscle mass and a 46% improvement in strength. This is a powerful testament to the effectiveness of resistance exercises in restoring muscle function and vitality. When you think about the fact that many older adults lose muscle mass each year, even small gains in strength can have a profound impact on daily life. Muscle mass is critical for maintaining independence. As we age, muscle strength supports not just our mobility, but also our balance and posture. Weak muscles increase the risk of falls, which is one of the leading causes of injury in older adults. According to the National Council on Aging, falls are the leading cause of injury and death in older adults, but resistance training can drastically reduce this risk. It helps strengthen muscles in your legs, core, and upper body, improving stability and making it less likely for you to fall. How resistance training works. Resistance training works by placing stress on your muscles, which causes tiny tears in the muscle fibers. Your body then repairs these fibers, making them thicker and stronger than before. Over time, as you continue to work your muscles, they grow more capable of handling the strain. This process not only increases muscle strength but also improves bone density, joint function, and cardiovascular health. The most accessible forms of resistance training for seniors include bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These exercises utilize the weight of your own body to challenge your muscles, making them an excellent option for beginners or those with limited mobility. Resistance band exercises are another great option, as they provide adjustable levels of resistance while being gentle on your joints. Lastly, light weightlifting with dumbbells or kettlebells can further challenge your muscles as you progress, though it's important to start with light weights and gradually increase as you build strength. What are the key benefits of resistance training for seniors? Increased muscle mass. As mentioned earlier, resistance training helps increase muscle mass, which naturally declines as we age. This is crucial for maintaining mobility, as muscles are responsible for supporting your joints and facilitating movement. Enhanced balance and coordination. By strengthening key muscle groups, resistance training helps improve balance and coordination. The benefits of this go beyond just preventing falls. Better balance can help you perform everyday activities with ease, from getting in and out of a car to carrying groceries. Better bone health. Bone density also tends to decrease with age, leaving seniors vulnerable to conditions like osteoporosis. Resistance training helps to stimulate bone growth, increasing bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Research has shown that weight-bearing exercises can prevent bone loss and may even help regenerate bone tissue. Increased metabolism. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down. Resistance training boosts your metabolic rate by increasing lean muscle mass, which burns more calories at rest than fat. This can help with weight management, reduce the risk of obesity, and improve overall health. Improved cardiovascular health. While resistance training primarily focuses on muscle strength, it also provides cardiovascular benefits. By increasing muscle mass, you help improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your body's tissues. This can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve heart health overall. Better mental health. Exercise, including resistance training, has been shown to improve mood, reduce anxiety, and help manage symptoms of depression. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, the brain's feel-good chemicals, which can enhance your sense of well-being and reduce feelings of stress. Enhanced functional capacity. Ultimately, The goal of resistance training is to improve your functional capacity, the ability to do everyday tasks with ease. Whether it's lifting heavy objects, walking upstairs, or simply carrying your groceries, strength training makes these activities easier and less taxing on your body. How often should seniors engage in resistance training? The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends that adults over the age of 65 engage in muscle strengthening activities at least 2 times per week. These activities should target all the major muscle groups, and you should aim for a balance between strength training and aerobic exercise. In addition to resistance exercises, seniors should strive to get 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity every week. This could include walking, swimming, or cycling. Incorporating balance exercises, such as Tai Chi or yoga, is also beneficial. These exercises not only enhance flexibility but also improve coordination and reduce the risk of falls. Combining resistance training with balance and flexibility exercises offers a holistic approach to maintaining physical health in older age.